Hello friends, today I'm doing the unboxing of Aga Australia boots. I've got them at 6 p.m. site and it was on sale, and model I've got is Aga Australia Classic in color blue, pale blue. I think I will check it, and it was on sale and I've got it lately, and I just got it yesterday and I'm doing unboxing. So box came looking like this. Simple box. I've got it in size 10 and it's in color looking like it's, I don't know what's the color, but it's looking pale blue. So let's open it. So we can wrap it in paper. Let's unwrap it. So it's like this. Here is boot number 1. It looks like this. It's classic short number 2 version, which is waterproofed with something, and it's supposedly repellent water. And back look like this. Side, version, second version has different tag on the back. It's more like made from leather. Yeah, and it says OG. The sole looks like this. It's like the same, I think, fur case, and it comes with that sticker that says real fur from lamb, and fur has been artificially dyed and treated, and fur origin Australia, but product is made in China. So we come with something like this, and they also have those inserts, and inside they looks like this. They have nice fur, which you can I guess make them look like this, but they are like harder to do it. In my older Uggs I could easily do it, and those are less flexible, I guess, and I'm afraid to make something wrong to them, so maybe I will not do it. I will just show you how they look inside here. So fur is like this. It's nice and fluffy, and really thick, but they are not super thick. They are enough thickness here. It's good enough for winter. And they also have this part inside, also is from wool here inside. So yeah, I really like this color, but I hope it will not get dirty easily because it's so light, so it might be easily get dirty, but hope not. Another one looks the same. So it came with inserts, which are sometimes hard to remove, and it looks like the same, and tag looks like this. It has sun here, and it says size 10, UK 8.5, European size 41. Let's try them on maybe. let's try them on. When it comes to sizing, I picked size 10, and normally in Adirondacks I wear 9.5, so they are half size too big, but I prefer it because this part is a little bit thick, this part. And when I would size down half size, they will be too tight. So here we are. These are my UGG Australia in pale blue color. And this is top view. This is mirror view. Okay, that's it. Subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up, and I will do another unboxing soon, so stay tuned for future video if you want to see another UGG Australia unboxing. So see you in the next one. Bye.